GasketLoc Countertops are a CTech exclusive feature designed to protect your storage investment and the contents inside. It's extremely easy to install, and we'll walk you through the steps right here. Your backsplash bead may have been secured with a small piece of gasket material. Go ahead and remove and discard that now. Make sure you have all the required components for installation, including your backsplash beads, gasket strip, screws, and push buttons. Start by placing your backsplash beads in the correct locations against the backsplash. Notice how the beads latch in place when they are pulled upward against the backsplash. With your beads in place, grab your gasket material and notice how it has a distinct profile. The strip must be placed in the correct orientation to function properly. The relatively flat side with a small divot along the top must face upwards. Apply a lubricating agent or other liquid to the strip and the countertop to make sliding the gasket material underneath the bead easier. Keep pushing the strip underneath the backsplash bead until you reach a corner. Then stop. You will need to make a small cut along the back of the gasket strip to facilitate a 90-degree corner. Do not cut through the entire gasket. Continue sliding the gasket underneath each bead around the perimeter of the countertop. Finish the installation by placing your end and corner caps. Your end caps will require a T20 bit and a shallow screw to be secured through the backsplash. Do not over-tighten these self-tapping screws. Use a handheld driver if possible. There should already be a pre-drilled hole located in the backsplash. Your corner caps, on the other hand, require drilling. Grab a 5/32 drill bit and line up your corner cap in the correct position. Mark where the holes should be drilled into the backsplash bead. Do not drill all the way through the backsplash, only through the bead. Then secure the corner caps with the black push-in buttons. Complete the installation by cleaning off any lubricants left over on the counter surface, and make sure that the gasket material creates a complete seal around the entire perimeter of the cabinet. Please reach out to us with any issues.